G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to cook up a delicious steak and egg sandwich. It's going to have some bacon too. Oh, and some other ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. Well, for this what I'm using is, you'll need a nice piece of sirloin steak or a good quality piece of steak. Unlike this one, which has been sitting in my freezer for, what year is it? I've got some bacon, some onion, some cheese. You'll need an egg, a bread roll or some sandwich bread. The sauce of your choice, I'm using barbecue, and you'll need some butter. Oh, I love this stuff. Now, first things first, of course, I need to butter my buns because I'm just going to give them a light toasting in the frying pan. Now, I have been warming up the frying pan. Hopefully it's... Oh, yeah, that's warm enough. So I'll just stick these in there and soften them a little bit. And while they're toasting, I'll just crack an egg. Now, you might need 2 eggs for this. I'm just going to use 1. And you can add some water, maybe a little dash of milk just to thin it out a little bit. Give it a whisk. Now, oh wow, look how beautiful and soft that's gotten. Oh, and look at this. Perfection! So I'll whip those off. Stick in some more butter. And just fry my onions for a bit. Just to coat them in that butter. And I want that temperature nice and high. I'll add a bit of olive oil, or you could use butter. And it's time to add in this steak and get that cooking. I'll add some pepper and some salt. And I want that thing cremated or cooked to however you like. As long as it doesn't set your smoke alarm off, you should be fine. Oh, yes! That's exactly how I like it. Now, actually, put the onions on there. And I'll put the cheese on there. And you know what? I forgot to start cooking the bacon. But that shouldn't take too long. It was a pretty thin bacon. Yeah, that's not taking too long at all. It's the beauty about bacon, isn't it? It doesn't take long to cook. But that steak, oh boy, that will be well done. So I'll take that off. And I reckon that bacon's pretty much done too. So I'll put that on top of the cheese there. Now I'm going to turn the heat right down on this and give this frying pan a nice clean up. And I'll add a bit of more butter in there. Add in my egg. I sort of want that egg nice and thin and spread out. And I don't want it sticking either. So that's not sticking and it's bubbling like a pancake. Now I can return the steak with everything on it. And then wrap this up like you're going to send it to someone you love. Which is why I should have used 2 eggs. Now that just goes on the bread. Fix it up a little. Add some barbecue sauce. With the lid on top. And there you have it. Steak, egg, cheese and bacon sandwich fit for a king. I stuffed it up. You're supposed to look way better than this. Oh yeah, nice and juicy too. Mmm. Right. That's sensational! Well, I got the juices dripping down my arm. The flavours going down my esophagus. This tastes so tasty. And this will definitely keep me going all day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.